What's up, Tech Nation? How you doing? Jack Scalfani here, and I just discovered, because I'm an idiot, I just discovered a new feature on my iPhone I didn't know existed. I think it came out with the 15, where you can capture text in pictures. Imagine if you and I met for coffee and I wrote a whole bunch of notes on a napkin. You could take a picture of the napkin, then you could capture the text, and then you could save it in your notepad, put it in Word, text it to somebody else, email it. I guess it's called character recognition or something, OCR. I can't remember what they call it. But anyway, it's a cool feature, and I'm going to show you an example of how it works, all right? I didn't know we had it. We've had it probably since 15 came out. Not iPhone 15, but the 15.0 operating system. It's on the iPhone, so if you have an iPhone, try this out at home. It's kind of cool. So if you want to send somebody the ingredients, you take a picture, you copy paste the wording. You can take the words off of anything. If somebody graffitied on a wall, you can take the words right off. But I'm going to show you how it works. All right, let's go to camera. Hey, what's up? All right, let's go to the other camera, the one that doesn't look as bad. Let's say I want to send somebody, I'm going to turn this sideways because that's how I take my shots. All right, let's say I want to send them a recipe out of a recipe. This is a recipe book. This is the Mennonites recipe book, and they've got they got monkey bread. That's so cool. They got zucchini bars. So I'm going to take a picture. No, not zucchini bars. I want sour cream raisin bars. Ugh. I don't know why I want that, but let's take a picture. And let's see if I can do this. You go into your pictures, hold your finger down, see how it highlights that? Then just stretch it across what you want, all the way across what you want, right there, and hit, see how it's all highlighted in blue? You hit copy. And then you go over to your notes, right? Let's say I want them right there, and I'm gonna paste them right there. So you hit your menu and hit paste. Boom, there it is, right in my notes. And it's as easy as that. You just hold your finger down on a picture that has words, and you can drag and copy any of the words. It'll translate it to text. It'll put it in text. Even, I think it works for handwriting too. You could experiment, but that's kind of cool. I'm starting to use that more and more. So when I'm, I don't know, it's just a really cool feature. My fat coach wrote some stuff down on paper and I wanted to put it in my notes. So I took a picture of it. I copied the wording. Boom. It's been around for a little bit, but I just realized it because I'm a goofball. But anyway, that's it. I got more tech stuff coming. And I will see you guys on the next episode. I love you. Bye.